Hey all, with today's video I'll be refreshing one of my old favorite recipes for pancakes. With these chocolate chip cookie pancakes, you wouldn't want to just have a cookie. You would have it inception style within your pancakes. So let's get started right now. All the ingredients are linked down below. We're first going to start by preparing our milk dip. And just like having cookies and milk, these are going to be your dip to enjoy with your cookies. So you're going to need a few tablespoons of cream cheese, and then some milk, and then a bit of sugar. Now I can't tell you how much because it really depends on how sweet you want it to be. I'm going to add just about a tablespoon. Then just grab a whisk. I'm just going to break the cream cheese a bit so I don't get splattered on my nice black hoodie, and then just mix it all up until it's creamy, light and frothy. You can use a hand mixer as well and just mix it until it looks like this. You can put that in the fridge while we now make the batter. So measure your dry ingredients separately. A cup of flour, some baking powder. Give this all a quick mix and then do the wet. We'll start with the milk, then an egg, some honey, splash of vanilla, and this butter over here I'm going to melt in the microwave. We'll add just about 2 teaspoons of this nice molten butter. And now everything just needs a quick whisk. Now the wet is going to go into the dry. And now this part here is kind of key because you don't want to over mix it, and lumps actually are fine. That's going to help get you the best, fluffiest pancakes. And now you need chocolate chips, chocolate chip cookies, and a bag. With these cookies here, you just want to get something heavy and then lightly crush them. You don't want to be powdered, you want chunks of cookie. Now put all of this in your batter and add this in here. Just grab a spoon and just fold this in the batter. This is now ready for you to turn into pancakes. So you can see I'm using my non-stick pan here and I don't need any oil, plus there's butter in the batter itself. I quite like using a ladle for putting the actual pancake batter into the pan. It's just way less messier than using a cup because the cup somehow always finds its way in the batter, causing all sorts of mess. We want to wait until you start to see bubbles all around the pancakes, and then we flip. Now once you've flipped it, you want to make sure that you turn that heat down because you want to make sure the middle of the pancake gets cooked, and if it's too hot, you'll get the same sort of color at the bottom with the risk of the middle being wet. And once you're ready to serve, you're going to have a great plate of pancakes just like this. Just top it off with some of your cookies right over the top. And again, no legal limit, so go crazy. Use this to dip both your cookies and your chocolate chip cookie pancakes. And with that, you have some great chocolate chip cookie pancakes ready for you. I have so many other pancake recipes that you can check out. I'll link some of them down below, and I'm gonna go take a dip in that milk.